morning, students. In your this ninth one chapter, direct proportion and inverse proportion, in this chapter yesterday we have studied problem set 37 and problem set 38. Then next one point in this chapter, see this partnership. The amount needed to start a business enterprise is called this capital. Often two or more people put in money for this capital, and the people investing the money in a business are called these partners. Partner means the people investing the money in a business, and partnership is the state of being this partner. Then the profit made or loss incurred is shared by these partners in proportion to the money, and each one has been to be the invested. See one example. Sandeep and Manish invested rupees 21,000 and 27,000 respectively and started a business. They made a profit of rupees 4,800. Then what amount will each of them get? See here, this firstly you write here this proportion of this investment. See this example, proportion of investment 21,000 and 27,000. 3 9 are 27 and 3 7 are 21. 7 by 9 means proportion is 7 raised to 9, and profit he get 4,800. Then let Sandeep profit suppose 7 years, and Manish profit 9 years. Then 7x plus 9x is equal to total profit here 4,800. Then 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. X is equal to 4,800. Then x is equal to 4,800 divided by this 16. When you divide here, 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48. Then x is equal to here 300. Then see what amount will each of them get. Will each of them get means Sandeep profit here 7x, x means value here 300. Then 7 into 300 means 2,100 rupees. Then Manish 9x means 9 into 300. 9 3s are 27. This 2,000. This Sandeep's share in profit is 2,100, and Manish is this profit of this rupees 2,700. So this practice set 39. Same this practice set 39 one by one examples. First one example. Suresh and Ramesh together invested 1,44,000 in the ratio of this 4:5 and bought a plot of this land. After some years they sold it at a profit of this 20%. Then what profit did each of them gain? Here investment is what investment here? 1,44,000 investment 1,44,000 profit 20% and proportion 4 raised to 5. Then firstly you see here this profit here 20%. 20% means 20 divided by 100 into 1,44,000. This 2 0, here 2 0. Then 144 into 2. 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 2 1 is 2. And this 2 0 means here 28,800. This total profit. Then here this proportion of this Suresh and Ramesh together profit of this 4 raised to 5 means here Suresh profit 4x and Ramesh 5x. Then you do addition here 4x plus 5x and this profit here total 28,800. Then 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. 28,800. Then x is equal to 28,800 divided by 9. 9 3s are 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Here 1 9 2s are 18. 0 0 means x is equal to 3,200 rupees. 3,200 rupees. Then question C here. What profit did each of them get? Means Ramesh and Suresh, you write here separately profit. Suresh profit 4x means 4 into here answer is here x 3,200. Then see here profit 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 means rupees here 12,800. And Ramesh got a profit. Ramesh got a profit. Which profit? 5x means 5 into 3,200. 5 to the 10 0, 5 to the 15 16 and this 2 0 means 16,000 rupees. Suresh got a profit of this rupees 12,800 and Ramesh got a profit of rupees 16,000. See this example here. Suresh and Ramesh together invested this rupees 1,44,000, but their profit is 20%, means you do here 20 divided by 100 into 1,44,000. Then this profit is here 28,800. And they invested here this Ramesh and Suresh. Suresh and Ramesh respectively 4 raised to 5 means you take your profit. Suresh 4x, 5x, then 4x plus 5x is equal to this total profit 28,800. 9x is equal to then x value right here 3,200. Then separately profit you write here Suresh profit 4x means 4 multiply this x. X value is 3,200 and do this multiplication. Then second one example see. Virat and Samrat started a business by investing this 50,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. In the business they ensured a 20% loss. Then how much loss did each of them get? The ratio of this investment here. First you write here the ratio of investment. What here? 50,000 divided by 1,20,000. This 2 0 2 0 is 0 means here answer is 5 raised to 12. Then their total investment is, firstly you write here total investment. These two numbers do addition here. Total investment is equal to 1,70,000. Then here profit loss is 20%. means 20 divided by 100 into 1,70,000. This 2 0, here this 2 0, 17 2s are 34 and this 0 3 times. Means 34,000 this loss here rupees 34,000. Let the loss incurred by this Virat be 5x and loss incurred by Samrat is 12x. Here proportion of this 5:12 means here Virat loss 5x and Samrat loss this 12x. Then do this addition. 5x plus 12x is equal to here loss is given here 34,000. Then 17x is equal to 34,000 and x is equal to 34,000 divided by 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34 and this 30 means 2,000. Loss of this rupees 2,000. Then how much loss did each of them incur? Each of them means here Virat loss 5x means 5 into 2,000. 5 2s are 10 and this 30 means 10,000 rupees loss. And Samrat lost this 12x means 12 into 2,000. 12 2s are 24,000 rupees loss. This Samrat. Virat lost this rupees 10,000 and Samrat lost this rupees 24,000. Then in this problem set 39 again some examples remain. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay. Bye.